Have you been looking for a performance sedan with styling that won't break the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Sport Carbon in Alpha Black. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, gloss black calipers with white script, active blind spot assist, dark exhaust tips, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 8,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch infotainment display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, Alpha DNA drive modes, heated rear seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6227.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.